So let me share my screen first. Okay. This I have already told you, I think, regarding this one. Which screen you can see? The trailhead, right?
Trailhead, yeah.
Yeah, okay. This one I think I have shared to you as well. So I'm sharing it again.
Okay.
Try to complete this entire module, okay? This entire trial mix. This is called trial mix. It's a combination of different trial mixes or trials, we can say, where we have modules and everything. So why I'm saying to do this is now we are like good enough with these concepts. Like if you see the fundamentals of Salesforce, we have covered uh, this what is trailhead, like introduction to trailhead management, and what is Salesforce, what is why Salesforce is customer 360. These all we have completed. Salesforce platform basic data modeling, data management, reports and dashboards. And there is only this one I think we haven't completed. I have given it as a task to you in the starting. Actually, I think this was in the 6th or 7th class. So trial mix 1 is done, and the trial mix 2 is also almost we have started. Okay, this one we will be ending, and Lightning App Builder is the two major things. This one, and coming to formulas and validations, we have done this. Okay. And then user management, it's a small, very small topic. Then that can be done. And data security also, that will be done in the next week. Okay. Now, once these are done, there are 3 different projects based on the topics we cover. So that will be helpful for us to understand the key concepts which we have learned from in the Lightning experience customization, Lightning app builder, and the data security. Okay. So by the end of this, once you are done with these 3 projects, you will be good enough with the Salesforce administration actually. So you will be good enough with the Salesforce administration. Only the thing which will be pending in terms of administration is the what we call 1 second. Try next to automation. Okay, automation will be the pending thing. So automation, it's a little complicated, but that's not hard as as like coding. We feel it's hard, right? So it's not hard like coding. This it's most related to the admin only. Point and clicks. You do some things. Like you are playing with the settings only. So, but you have to use some logical thinking while building the logics here, so that I can explain. That will be covered in the after next class, not in the not in next week. After next week. So when you are done with this module, also you are ready for the interviews. Okay. Yeah, ready for the interviews. Because while going through these 2 weeks, what we are going to see is this one. Means we'll be completing in the next week the trial mix 2, then the trial mix 3 and the after next week. But when it comes to Apex, which is another programming language, and like customized Salesforce with code, this is like LWC. I told the LWC, right? So in today's market, the LWC is in a high demand. That's the reason I started with the JavaScript. I told that because most of the people will start with the Apex. So it's not Apex in the trial mix. We have Apex and LWC. We have to learn both. It's like based on your career interest, you can choose either trial mix A or trial mix B. If you are good enough with the backend, or if you want to learn with the backend, then you can go with Apex. If not, you can go with the front end LWC. So I prefer, and even in the today's market, it's a demand for front end because Apex, I mean, everyone knows now Apex. So, but LWC, most of them don't know because they come from the non-JavaScript or non-front end background. They don't learn HTML, they don't learn CSS. Apex is like a Java. Since 20 years, almost Java is in high demand. So whoever knows Java, they can easily code Apex. So that's the reason Apex is not in high demand, because it's not that it is not used. It is used, but most of the people have the skill of Apex because they know Java, but they don't know the front end, which is JavaScript. That's why we lack LWC skill set developers. So keeping that in the point, I started this one. So if I open say trial mix B, like 4B, the starting will be the JavaScript, you should see. Okay. This is modern JavaScript actually. Modern JavaScript in the sense, whatever we are learning, the same thing, but with some standards. There are some classes, there are some modules and JavaScript functions, like new syntaxes, latest syntaxes. So what are there? And there is something called as asynchronous. So we have to learn that asynchronous and testing, how we can test the JavaScript code, we have to learn. So then we will be ending with JavaScript. But this is a modern JavaScript. But this is not enough. Directly, if you start learning these functions, it will not be helpful for us. So that's the reason I started. So this one, JavaScript skills for Salesforce developers. So we are like in the core concept, understanding the browser we have understood, like how the HTML works. So like that, then we have to see this all. Then we'll start this modern JavaScript. Once you have done that one, so you can easily write code for this Lightning components. You open any of the Lightning components. Just I'm showing because now mostly in 1 month, you'll be okay to work on the projects. You have to learn again, we'll be looking into the GitHub. Okay. So GitHub, we haven't used the Salesforce. So we'll be using the GitHub when we start coding. Then we'll use some project management tool for like just for our practice. So if you see here, this is a Lightning Web component. Just I'm telling like example. So how this is like HTML only, right? Tags, template. This is also template. This is the attribute. I mean, this is the element, sorry, element. And this template is also an element. This is title is an attribute. This is the attribute. This is the value. Then div, which is an element of HTML. P, which is an element of HTML. So like that. Nothing but it's an HTML. Now, where this HTML is connected? Greeting. If you see in the paragraph, there is something called greeting. If you see what is greeting, it is a part of JavaScript again. Okay. It's a part of JavaScript. So from greetings, you'll get the value. So whatever the value you pass from the JavaScript in the HTML in the website, that value will be displayed here. Okay. So there is a link between the whatever we have learned till HTML and JavaScript. Those concepts, whatever we have learned till now, will be useful in the Lightning Web components, but in a different way or different syntaxes. So HTML template is in HTML, there is nothing called template, but you can relate this as one tag or one element, and there is called attributes. Lightning code. This is also one element. So like that. So there is some JavaScript. If you see here, so what is this? We can imagine, say this is like a class. I will be teaching this class concepts and object concepts sooner. If you see, this is a function. Okay, this is a function. It is in the parenthesis. In function, there is something. So that's the reason I want you to have a full grip on JavaScript, because in today demand is LWC, and in LWC, the common language which is used throughout the journey, and whenever you start any of Salesforce LWC project, from start to end, you'll be using JavaScript. Okay. If you know the JavaScript, then you can play with it. So keep practicing. And today I'm interested to take a class to make you practice most on the functions and the loops. Okay, arrays and maps also we have done, right? So I want you to get handy with them. Okay, if you learn that, so there is a two use cases. If you learn the concepts of JavaScript, that is a programming language, right? One of the programming language you are going to learn. Now, so I'm closing this JavaScript topic. So where we'll code, how we'll code, we'll see once we'll start. Let me open trial mix 4a, this which is Apex. So Apex basics and database, one of the module under this trial. So if I open that, getting started with Apex. Okay, I'm opening that. So there is something, I mean, some kind of interaction to this Apex. Did you see this one?
Integer double long.
Integer double, which are data types we have used in like a letter
Yeah.
equals to. So we'll be using that only. Did you see this one? List. List is nothing but array. Here, list is nothing but array in square bracket. See here how you'll write list. Okay, this is an array of this three or four values. Now, if I go little and open collections in the Apex, sets, maps, lists. Lists are nothing but arrays. Sets are nothing but, which I told you, it is nothing but similar to lists, but I mean similar to arrays in JavaScript, but sets can have only unique values. You have given two Torontos, but it haven't taken. So there is something called maps. Maps both in JavaScript and Apex both are same. So there is a key, there is a value. Okay, how you will write it is little different, but the language or the programming basic is same. Got it?
Yeah.
See,
For arrays, there will be values. For maps, there will be keys. And for sets, there will not be any duplicates.
yes. So there are some considerations while writing these maps. So in JavaScript only 3 or 4, but here there are multiple time, string, long, integer, ID, enum, double. So Apex is like a master language because it not only contains the concepts of JavaScript, it contains the concepts of Java, it contains like concepts of C#. So it's a like combination of multiple things. But how they have made Apex is tightly bonded to the Salesforce objects. Means you coded you have written like objects in Salesforce. You have created some objects in Salesforce UI. In the Salesforce objects, you can create records also in the UI. So those records, you just log into the Salesforce and go to some object account and create some account. That all can be done with the help of Apex. When to create a record, when to delete a record. So how to delete, how to fetch, how to edit a record, that all can be possible by using Apex. That's why Apex we are using, because Apex and Salesforce is interlinked. Because on Salesforce platform, Apex has developed. So it makes us very easy to learn. If someone knows the administration of Salesforce, they can easily write coding. If they don't know anything of Salesforce administration, creating of object, editing of object, everything, if they start learning this Apex programming language, it's not useful. So that's the reason, even officially, the Salesforce also created this journey. Your journey to Salesforce learning path. So if you want to start here, then from basics, from basic fundamentals, like this one, I have also covered this one. If you remember, the first class, it's on GitHub and the project management and software development lifecycle we have seen. So this was not important, but This, see, even they have mentioned it's an optional, but I want to make sure you know the basics of software. So we have seen this one, then we have seen this one. Now we are into this one. Soon we'll be completing this and this. Okay. While we are going to complete these two, in the same day, we'll be dealing some of Apex or some of JavaScript. Any of the program language we'll be covering. Okay. Now, from today, you just start practicing programming. Wherever you see some logic, wherever you see some code snippets, you start analyzing that. So what's happening? Take a pen, take a book, and do some like flowcharts or some pseudocode. So what's happening in the program? If you make habituate that one, in real time there is no like 5 to 6 lines of code. Sometimes there will be almost 1,000 lines of code. But how you have to imagine that one? That 1,000 lines of code you have to split into the functions. How many functions are there? 10 functions. So what each function is doing? Okay, this many things each function is doing some sort of operation. Now, if there is a task for you to write two functions, more two functions, depending upon those 10 functions, you should be capable to write them. When you will be capable, when you know the functioning of the existing functions in that code, then you can write two more functions. So that's the reason debugging skills are most important than writing the code. Everyone starts learning the syntax. Okay, then I know how to write a for loop. I know how to write a if condition. That's not the case. When someone gives you the code, you have to analyze and you have to guess the output. Then we can say that you know the coding. If you write the code, that doesn't mean you can write the code. If you guess the output of any of the other person's code, then you can say that you are good in coding. So start the reverse journey from today, not just practicing. If you find some code, or you only just take some codes randomly from ChatGPT or from internet and keep analyzing the output. Okay. Now share your screen. I'll be giving like some kind of a step-by-step scripts. We'll be working on them. Okay.
Okay.
I'll unshare my screen.
Shall I open programs?
Yeah. So don't go for programming. Download Visual Studio Code. I think you have downloaded, right? We'll stop using Visual Studio Code. Just type Visual Studio Code in search bar. No, not here. No, not here. In your Windows search bar, in your local computer. Yeah. Okay. No, it's Visual Studio Code, not Visual Studio.
Oh, Visual Studio Code.
Just go to your downloads. I think it will be in your downloads. You can unshare and share your screen if you want. Downloads.
This one, right?
Hmm?
Visual Studio Code user setup.
Yes. Click on that, double click on that. Oh. Setup has detected that setup is already running. I think, okay, go down. Down it is running. Accept. No. 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 Wait. Accept, yeah. Okay. Okay. If you want to change the place, you can. No, it will again install. So if you have, okay. Now, just it's ask you to sign in, leave everything. Yeah, okay, leave everything. Mark all as done. Mark as done. Mark done. Mark done. Okay. Now, so click here. Open a folder. Or okay, if you want, then what we can do is go to your file manager. Not here. Go to your file manager. You haven't installed Node, right? Node.js.
Which one? Node.js.
Node.js. Okay, let it be. Just go to your file manager and go to the create any folder at any place, like a folder for our
Document.
classes. Not in the documents, maybe in any of other folders. Okay, where you are practicing HTML or something?
In program is only.
Okay. So now we'll use this one. No, I think you have you have saved some files. No, not yet. Create a folder now. Create a folder on our class name, like PD1, like that.
Oh, here? I think this is that folder.
Yeah, I think it's already there. So go to that folder. Where is PD1? Yeah, it's there here. Okay. Here you just Control Shift N, Control Shift N.
Shift N. Yeah.
Yeah. Give it any name, like LWC or
Okay.
JavaScript or HTML, whatever. Yeah, okay, good enough. Okay. Now open that folder. Create a folder called JS. Control Shift N. Control Shift N. JS. Okay. Now write like enter. Now right click on that. Just now 1 second. View show more options. Open with no option. Oh, okay. So not an issue. Okay, go to your Visual Studio Code now. Open folder. Go to that PD1 where it is on the desktop. I think click on desktop. Then PD1.
Select.
It's a no. Go back in the LWC. Oh, okay. Yes, I trust the authors. No. Click on open folder again. Now in the JS folder you open.
JS folder. That is again PD1.
In the PD1, open LWC. Then select JS. Then select folder. Okay. Now new file. Click on new file. If 1 second. Not like this. Click somewhere else. Click just. Now go to the JS here. Just hover over the JS. You get the option. No. Click on that. Just hover. No. Wait. Click on the top right side above search bar. Above search magnifying glass. There is some file symbol, right? 1 second
Yeah.
later. No, not there. 1 second. Here. Click on here. Like here. No, not there. Yeah. Now, where is JS? JS is not looking. Click on this outline. What happened? Where is JS? Click on that again. Explorer. Click on this Explorer. Nothing happening, right?
You can select it again. It's okay.
Yeah. It's opening here itself now. 1 second. No, it is already opened, I think, but somewhere it is getting messed up. Click on this one. Folder JS. So, okay, here it is. No problem. So, click on this one. This is called now index dot or JS. Sorry, hello world dot JS. Some programming name. No, not capital. Small. Small letters. Hello world dot JS. No spaces. File name should not include any space. Dot JS. Dot JS. Not a valid as a file or folder name. Okay, click enter. It is something messing up. Just to close everything. They close this one. Now open it. Oh, it is getting updated. Wait. Edit update. Okay, now click on now try to open it. by searching here. Hmm. Okay, let it be. No JS folder, right? Leave it. That you can close it. This is release notes. Just close it. Hmm. It will open here only. Not an issue. Just click here. Hmm. Now again click here. Word.js. Just enter. Console.log. Console.log. Log bracket. In bracket, you can write a hello world.js. Hello world something. Just not like that. It will be a variable. You should write as a string. Double quotes. Double quotes. Yeah. Or single quotes. Whatever. Hmm. Then at the end, a semicolon. At the end. Not there. After, yeah, semicolon. Semicolon.
Okay.
Control S. Control Shift. You have the symbol, right? Not like that. Oh, it is getting. It is not getting saved. It got saved, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Just 1 second. Click on this run. Now
Start debugging or run without debugging.
run without debugging.
Okay.
Just say the first one, Node.js. So there is no Node.js. We have to install. Go to Google. No, we can't do it here. Node.js, install Node.js or download Node.js. Yeah, you got the option, third option. Click on that. Yours is yeah, just go down, go up, LTS. Okay. Now click on this Windows installer. Yeah. It got download. It will download. See, actually, what is program is if you see when you type program is JavaScript online compiler. At the end, you'll mention that it's a compiler. So compilers are something which will run our code. As we know, computer will only understand binary language 1001 microchip. The controller which is inside the computer will understand this what we call binary language. What we are writing, hello, hi, this English, our language. So to translate from our language to the computer language, there needs a translator. There needs a compiler to compile this complete programming and check for the errors. If there is error, how to show them to the user. So this all can be done with the help of compilers. That is what we are taking help of program is online compiler. Now what we are doing is we are installing a best and the important or we say the what we call actual compiler for the JavaScript. That is Node.js. I think you got my point. Node.js is a compiler, which can be installed in our computer. So there is no need of internet going to the browser and typing online compiler, some online compilers like Programs and typing there our program. You can write the program in your computer even if there is no internet as well. So that can be possible when you have a local compiler. That local compiler name is Node.js. Okay. Node.js is a compiler which will run the JavaScript code which we have written and check for the errors and pass it to the computer. Okay. Now go to that downloads folder. One second. Just no, wait. Accept the terms. Just click next. Just click next. Yeah. Okay. Next. First, did you get any option? Okay. Click on the add to path, the last one. Okay. Okay. Everything is set. Now click on next. Automatically install the necessary. Oh, wait. No, yeah. That will take much time to install those all. Now click on installation.
Oh, it asked it to connect with path something, right? While we are doing that.
Yeah,
Is
even Visual Studio Code will ask for us. So I think we have skipped that one. So no problem. Again, we can configure inside internally. We'll do it later. Okay. You mean now you got the error? That one you are telling, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We have to do some kind of configuration. Now, after this installing, again go to the Windows search bar here. After the installation completed, type CMD. Yeah, finish. No, not here. Wait. Go here. Go here. 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 Where you are
Yes.
saying? No. Go to the Windows search bar here.
Okay.
Okay. Now CMD. Command prompt. Yeah, open that one. Node-V. Node space -V. Space -V. Enter. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you got installed the node package. You have to restart the computer actually. Okay. Okay. So now if you restart the computer, the window, or you just try to close the Visual Studio Code and open. Actually, you have to restart the computer as well. So can you do it and join again? Okay, I'll wait. Just click on restart and keep your laptop for charging as well. Its battery is very low. So okay, do that. I'll wait. Okay, we'll connect in 5 minutes.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you open the Visual Studio Code now?
Yes.
I'll come just now. Now, just Control Shift before below escape there is some option negation. It's called negation. Click on that. Control Shift. Yes, good. Now click Node. Node. Okay.
Right?
Node. Yeah. Just write node space hello world.js. Enter. Done. So this is the output of our program. Before, in the program is online compiler, you used to write the code on the left side and you can see the output on the right side, right? Now here, the same thing you're doing, but not in the browser, not with the help of internet. Just on your Visual Studio Code, you're writing the code in the editor, and in the down in the terminal, you can see the output. When you can see the output, you have to run it. To run it, you have to ask Node compiler to run your programming by passing it a name, hello world.js. So node space file name. The file name is hello world.js. This is how you will test it initially. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so whatever you have written on the browser, you can write here from now. Just create an array and store 10 numbers, just numbers in that array, and print the length of the array.
Here on the top.
Yes. Yes. I'm asking you to create an array, not a normal single integer.
Like applicable, like fruits equals to like that.
Yes, that is the array. No, I'm asking you to create the array of numbers, not array of strings. Array of numbers from 1 to 10. Yeah, instead of fruits, you can give numbers or first 10 numbers, like that, some name. It's okay, even fruits, but I want you to have the numbers in the arrays. Okay. Now, print the fifth element. Print the fifth element. What happens there? Mata, recall how you will print the array or the value inside the array. If you write 4 to the log, what is 4? It's just a number. It will print number.
Mhm.
Now you have to tell that, yes, correct, numbers, and in the bracket, not in this square bracket. In the square bracket. Array is in the square bracket, right?
Oh,
No.
yeah. We
So,
can't give parentheses.
yeah, that is for functions. Now,
Okay.
after log is a function again. Numbers is an array. Log is a function. So, console.log is a log is like a function. So, give it a parenthesis. It's a method. So, give it parenthesis, open bracket, and at the end, close bracket. Now inside that, you are printing the numbers array, not the complete array. You are printing the fourth index. That's true. So just save it and run the code again. No, not that. You have the other option, right? Here, down.
Here,
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Node, space.
Yeah, can we use both spaces to print?
I didn't get you.
Do I need to paste this entire these two
No,
lines here?
no.
Or shall I
Just,
click on it?
just to give the file name here. See, here we have a terminal. This is called terminal, not here. This is called terminal. So inside this terminal, this is like a command window, PowerPoint command window where we can give the commands. Now what command I want you to give is write node here and write the file name of the code here. What the code file name? Hello world, right?
Yeah.
So that you will give it.
Should
Node.
I write? Shall I paste these two here? No.
No. The file will be here only. Just click Control S. Here Control S.
Okay.
Control S. No, not there. Not there. Here. Here. Click here. Click somewhere here. Then Control S. See, this file should be saved. Okay. This
Yeah,
file.
here it is showing like file saved, right?
Yeah. Now it is saved. Huh? Now here. Go here. Come here.
Okay.
Now after coming there, just type node.
No.
Oh, it is just enter. You click enter. Enter. Okay. Now node space. What is the file name where this code is saved? Now you are saving the code in this file. So what is
Yeah.
the file name? Hello world.js. That file name you give it here.
Yeah. Not JS. Okay.
Enter. You will get the output file. You got the element file. Okay. Are you getting what you are doing now?
Yeah. This
Yeah.
is an and we have to give the file name. We have to write everything on the top, but we have to print it here by writing the
Yes.
file name.
Yeah, by writing the file name and give before that you have to write node. Okay. Node means this is a compiler. I told no compiler. So you are
Yeah.
telling this compiler which you have installed on your machine that hey, take this file and check for the JavaScript code, syntax, everything. If there is error, print the error. If no error, then print the output. Okay. Now print me all these numbers from 1 to 10 line by line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this.
Okay.
If there are 100 numbers, how you will do it? Okay, you are writing correct only. What you're writing? Just tell me what you're writing, what you're trying to do.
To print 1, 2, 3, 4.
What is that
Everything.
concept you are doing? Concept. Which
It's
concept?
serialization.
Loop. You are trying to write loop, na?
Yeah. For loops.
Iterate. So where is further? I didn't see any fur in this line. Yeah. Syntax is main. I told you to practice code. That doesn't mean you practice any code without knowing the syntax. Syntax is main. For is like a parenthesis. Open parenthesis, then write it. Two parentheses it got. Okay. Clear. For will not have semicolon at the end. For will not have semicolon at the end. it will have open bracket, it will have closed bracket. I think you are not practicing well. Practice well. This will be very horrible when you completely start LWC or Apex fully now. You will not have basics, but you will be I will be teaching advanced topics. There will be mismatch again. Write the write the flower bracket here. Open the flower bracket. Close the flower bracket. Inside that you have to write the code. Not there. Here. Here. Yes. So that's the right way of writing the for loop. Now there will be error. So what will be error? I'll tell you. So just yes, you are right. Write it. What you want to print?
Numbers 1 to 10.
How you'll print?
What equals to 1 is less than
Yeah, that okay.
plus. So numbers here.
Yes. Yes. Numbers. Numbers. Okay. Yes, correct. Then yes, good. No, no. Come now.
Okay, we should
Leave that.
enter more than
Yeah, just save it. Save the code. You haven't saved the top code. See where how you can see is you saved or not. See the top here. See the top here. No, not there. Save the top here. It is dot.
Okay.
So when you click on save, Control S, it will be into.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now run it.
Before running it only, we should save it.
Yes. If you don't save, then what is the previous code that was saved that will run. 5. From where it got printed?
It's also comment.
Yes. Comment that one. Comment.
Oh, we can also comment here.
Yes. Yes. Now print it again.
Control Shift and
Okay. Just you can write double forward slash also. Only one number, na? One line, na? Yes.
can I clear this or shall I leave?
You can clear that. CLS. CLS. Type C. No, we can't clear like that. It's a command prompt like a PowerShell. CLS. Type CLS. It's called clear screen.
Okay.
What?
Hello
world.js. No, not hyphen. No hyphen, no hyphen, no hyphen. Not space only. What happened? The previous version is you didn't save, I think. Again, save it.
Oh.
Now run it. Okay. Where is one is not getting printed? Why? Explain me now.
I equals to 1.
So you started from first index.
Yeah.
So first index is what? 2. So from 2 it is getting printed. You have to start from 0th index because array will start from 0 index.
Yeah.
So write it. Now 9 will not get printed.
Yeah, the last number is 9.
So you are telling that it should be less than 9. So you have to tell it should be less than or equal to 9. Okay. Okay. You didn't save.
Oh, every time we have to save.
Yes. Every time you do any changes, you have to save. Okay. Got it. There is last undefined. So it is less than 9 only. Correct only we have written last time. If it is 9, it is searching for 9th index also. So 9th index means it should be 10th element. 10th element is not there now.
Yeah.
We changed the I to 0 now, so I forgot that. I thought still I is 1. Okay, leave it. Yeah. Run it again. Okay. Now from these 10 numbers, I want to print only what we call 1 second. Elements greater than 5 or
Elements?
greater than 5 only I want to get printed. I want to print
Okay.
only.
Elements greater than 5.
Yeah. Save it. Save it. Very good. Now print elements above 3 less than 7 means I want to get 4, 5, 6 to get printed.
Okay. Only 4, 5, 6, right?
Yes.
Okay. 7.
It is searching for 6th index. In 6th index, there is a value 7. Did you get that?
In 6th index, I is equals to 3, less than 6. Search, not search for.
Before it was, you didn't save this. If you
Oh.
don't save, there will be a bug.
Why is it always? We should say.
Mhm. Good. Now, keep the numbers randomly, not 1 to 10. 1 to 9 is there, na? 1, 9, 7, 3, 4, 12, 13, 0, like that. Random numbers, but it should be 10 or any number of count. Okay. Now, print the values which are between 5 and 10.
Values between 5 and 10.
How you will print it now? You don't know the order. You can't guess with index. Before it was with index. So you changed the for loop condition. In the loop condition, you started value from 3, ended with 6. So you got the values. Now how we can do it? So I asked you to print 5 to 10 between. So we should get the values 5, 7, 9, 6.
Yeah.
So, but you should not hard code. You should write the program to find the numbers between these two numbers.
Okay.
So I will write the code. You just guess. Okay.
Oh, here we should use else.
Yes. 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 Super. 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 Yeah. So write the for loop now. Write the for loop. So for loop you start with 0 and go till you know the end of the end. How many digits are there? Yeah. See, if you know the array end, you write in, you have written 9 or less than 9 like that. When you
Yeah.
know the how many elements are
Yeah.
there,
The
what we
last
can do?
element is 18.
Not like that. See, now what I'm asking is, so how many elements are there? How many times the loop should run?
Oh, 11.
11. So instead of guessing like that, can I write I equals to 0? Then
Yeah.
I less than size of an array. Whatever
Yeah.
may be the end. So that is better, na? So instead of writing 9, 6, you can't count
So
always.
can we also write array length?
Yes. So size in the sense like
Yeah.
numbers dot length. So
Yeah.
I less than whatever may be the size. Even if it's 100 also no problem. So array dot length. Not array. Our array name is numbers.
Array dot length.
Then I plus from 0 to end till end it should increment. Close the bracket, open floor bracket, flower bracket. Now write the if condition.
Else condition.
So if what is our condition?
Between 5 to
10. So how
10.
you'll write the condition?
If I
If
equals to
I
the condition should be the output should be between 5 to 10, right?
yeah.
Then it will be 5, 7, 9, 5, 6, 7, 9. Only 4
Okay.
numbers.
Okay. So write it. Write it. No. After I there will be parenthesis. So after if.
If I equal between.
So we can't write between. You have to write like this. I greater than 5 and I less than 10. Did you remember this one? Relational operator. This is a logical operator. And is a logical operator. And
Yeah.
greater than less than or. So and means you are telling it should be greater than 5 and it should be less than 10. So like this we have to write. Between only you can understand. Computer can't understand. It has some syntax. We have to follow that.
But somewhere we used between, right?
No, never. In the pseudocode. Pseudocode.
Yeah.
Pseudocode in the sense what? It's a human readable code for our understanding.
Okay.
For our understanding, you have to write like that. So for computer, you have to follow the syntax. Then open the flower bracket again for the if condition. Inside this, now you print the console.log numbers of I.
Yeah. Console.log. Yeah, open brackets.
You have written only one and is binary operator. You should not use that one. That is very risky. I'll tell you what it happens, but even if I tell you, you can't understand because it's like a binary language. Embedded systems like you have listened, I think, if you are from EC or electronics background.
Okay.
So that we can't use. So go with this and double and.
So if I is greater than?
Yes, I is greater than 5 and means and means it's you are telling it and I less than 10, then you print the array value. Give semicolon, try to get habituated for console.logs.
Here? No.
Yes.
And should we also put here? Here it's not needed, right?
No. Only for the full expressions, full statement. For if function will not contains this. Yeah, this you can or you cannot. This is a good practice on it, not an issue. But here you can't. Like this.
Oh.
Here in the middle. Okay, execute.
Can I print now or shall I also write else condition again?
No, not needed. Only we are not telling something to do in the else now. Just if something rise between, then print.
In the if else, when we are using this if else condition, we sometimes if it is not needed to write else condition also.
Yes.
It is not mandatory to write else condition all the time.
No. I told you starting in the class, if you listen, first I have told if, then if else I have told, then else if I have told.
Yeah.
So these three are independently can be used. You didn't save. Okay, you save. Sorry. What happened?
12 greater than.
Yeah, we have some bug now. Bug in the sense it's not the code mistake, it's our thinking mistake. So what we have done is from you are printing this one, okay? Numbers of 5. Now what is the value of I? 5. I of 5 is I is less than 5 and less than 10. No, greater than 5.
No, only change.
Okay. So now greater than 5 or greater than 5 in the sense 6. At 6th index we are searching. 6th index the value is 13.
Yeah. Okay.
You are telling here 6th index. You should see here 6th index you are writing. Okay. So this will not work. So from 6th index to 9th index you are printing. 6th to 9th index. So it is printing from this to here, this one. Because we are writing this way. In this way, the I value is index. So what we have to write is right here, instead of I greater than 5, write numbers arrays that particular I value. At the particular I value, we are telling that the numbers of I is greater than 5. Are you getting my point? Just understand before writing the code, try to understand.
Okay.
See what I am telling is, I see what our requirement,
Yeah.
the
Numbers of
value,
I is
yes,
greater than 5 and numbers of I is less than 10.
10. So I don't want to compare the index. If I want to compare the index, then I should compare I greater than, I less than. Now I want to compare the value at that index. So numbers, square bracket, you have again written parenthesis, that will create a bug.
Oh, we should create square brackets on.
Yes, square bracket. Always after the array, when you are using the array, when you are writing the array, square bracket. Square bracket I. So this is called checking the value at the particular index, not comparing the value.
Oh,
Yes, super.
let's save it. Numbers of I is greater than 5.
Fine. And
So,
numbers of I less than 10.
so console.log numbers of I. So it's clear. No?
Yes.
So everything is clear. Save it. Okay. So save this. 796.
Clear?
Yeah.
You got it now?
Yep.
See.
But it does not take directly the I. We should always inform it whether we are telling about numbers or not.
Yes, we are telling with respect to the values at that index or the index at that index. Okay. If you just tell I, that means index, you are comparing the index. So like this, from 6 to 12, it will print. If you just compare index. If you compare the value at that index, here you are comparing the value at that index. So what happens? It will start with 0. So what is 0? Numbers of 0 is greater than 5. It's 1, it's not greater than 5. It will not print. So like that. You got my point?
Yeah.
So it will check each and every number. Each and every number you are checking, not the each and every index. Okay?
Okay.
Keep this
If
code. Hmm?
if I just put I, it will not go through everything.
Yeah, it will not will go to everything. So it will it will start from 0. It will not check numbers only. It will not check array only.
Okay.
It will check I value greater than 10, I value greater than 0. Then if it is I value is greater than 6, so greater than 5. So 6, 7, 8, ninth indexed till here, the values, then here it will take the values, not here, because here you haven't used a number, you haven't used numbers now previously. You have used only I. I is just an index, not a number, or sorry, not a value. Clear?
Yeah.
Keep this code as it is. Now create a code to print only the even numbers.
Only even numbers. Okay.
From whatever the numbers we have from here, I just want to have the even numbers as an output. I'll come just now. So everything will be same. I'm giving the clue. Only the if condition will be changed.
Yeah.
I'll come just now.
You are not practicing the codes even which we practiced in our classes. Even numbers I have told you, even I explained the condition also in the class. Try to recall it. So what is an even number? Generally in the mathematics, if what is an even number? Anything which is divisible by 2.
Yeah.
So numbers of I percentile 2 equal to 0, then it's an even number. That's it.
That is what I'm wondering about. Should I keep this or not?
No. So it's always good. So you have used triple equal to. It's a strict comparison. So it's always good when you're dealing with the numbers. So give a space. Give a space between the equal to and the 0. Not between the numbers and the array. So it's better to give between these one. Yeah. Now, wow, okay, good. What you're doing actually, writing the condition,
For
right?
this condition only.
Oh, okay. Yeah, using that only. I thought there is no for loop here. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
because I uncommented this again. First I commented them, but
Yeah,
however
comment. Yeah, comment it because I'll use again the code again, that code.
this one.
Yeah, comment it. Just write the for loop here again.
Oh, okay.
Just copy paste it.
For loop, if
Yes.
numbers is percentage divided by- That's what I'm wondering. Here we used NDN 2 times. No, can we
No.
use
That
10
we have two
times?
conditions. What
Yeah.
are the two conditions? Should be greater than 5, less than 10. But here only one condition, divisible by 0.
Yeah, that's what I thought first. Entering by divided by 2 equals to 0 only. But again, I thought
Okay.
like
Oh, okay.
divided by 2 equals to 0. Console log.
So
Minus.
you haven't used block for this for loop. Block in the sense this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Yes. Inside that only you have to write, right? Copy this and paste it here. Print it. What happened?
It should be there.
Again, one more here.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I will save it.
Hmm. 14, 18, 6, 12. So you understood right now?
Yeah.
Now, create an array of some cities.
Okay. Did we always use capital or small letters, right? In this one? Because this is case.
No.
That's why.
Nothing happens. It's a string. String can be anything, even your name or everything, anything.
Okay.
But writing an array, writing a map, Then you have to start with a small letter, and in the middle there should be capital, camel case letters. Enough. Print the cities now, one by one in the for loop. You print the from in the cities.
My city is equals to Vizag, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai.
Yeah, you just print it. No, not like that. Not like that. Use for loop.
For you.
Yeah. The top you use right here. Same concept.
What should be the condition? Just like the regular.
Just like that. From 0th index to the last index, you just print it.
Oh, right.
Actually write let I. Okay, let I equals to for no inside the for
Oh, okay.
let, because if you don't let I, we don't know what is the value actually. So means the memory will not be declared accurately for the I. I.
Zero.
Then semicolon. Then write the condition I less than the last element.
Last 0, 1, 2, 3.
No. Use my cities dot length. It's always preferable. Delete that 3.
Instead of the direct index number, we should always use name.
Yeah, because index, if you see the array, you can say there are 4 elements. If you can't see the array, so you can't say, right? How many elements are there?
Oh, yeah.
That's the reason we'll use till length. Print it. Okay. Now, if the value is Bangalore, then replace it to so 1 second. If the value is Bangalore, then replace the value with Mumbai. So my requirement is somewhere from some function or somewhere you are getting the code, you are getting the array. Okay, you don't know the array. Okay, but as your manager has given you the task that if that array, maybe 100 elements or 200 elements or even 1000 elements, if that array contains the value Bangalore, then replace that, means delete it, then or in place of that write the value Mumbai.
Okay.
This is the task now. Small task.
Let me use equals to Mumbai. So let me use it equals to Mumbai. My city is equals to In the place of Bangalore, we should replace it with Mumbai, right?
Yeah.
Mm. There is another condition for this.
How you'll give a value to a particular place in the array?
The like to index number.
Just write that line random, just for my sake. Write it here.
Like here.
Yeah, just write it. Just for my understanding, what you are thinking, I want to know. See, I'm asking you, in place of Bangalore, you write Mumbai. So there is already array. There is already array my cities. Okay, there is
Yeah.
already memory my cities. So again, if you write Letna, again it will create the same name, my cities. So there will be error. So don't write like that. I want at this place, I want Mumbai. Or you'll do that. Simple. You have forgotten that. My cities, no, my cities, not let. My cities, bracket open, at the index. What the index? The index is 2 is equals to, at that index, whatever may be the value. Now I want Mumbai. Clear? You'll print using the same syntax. You will assign. You'll put the values with within the same syntax. Mumbai should be in the double
My
quotes.
city. Oh, my cities. Yeah.
No, not needed, not needed. If you give that, it will get confused what happening with, because it's a normal value, not a set.
Okay, that means it equals to, right? Where it
So
is
25th line you comment,
Mumbai.
25th line not needed. Yeah, just assigning a value at a particular index. That's it. You don't
Yeah.
know whether it is a Bangalore or not. You're not checking. So manually you are seeing, okay, at 20th line, I am seeing 4 values, and in the third place or second index, I have the Bangalore. Then I am doing this one. Okay. Why this one? Why this one? Why flower brackets? That is not for loop. That is not if condition.
There is no way of printing this value then.
Just to give it semicolon.
Without parentheses only, we can give the semicolon.
Yeah, this is a simple statement. You remember like 8 goes to 5, right? What is the meaning of 8 goes to 5? In place of A in the memory, you are writing 5. So now this meaning of this is simple. At the big array called my cities, at index 2, you are writing a value Mumbai. The meaning of this line.
Okay. Now
Okay.
we should leave it and print it.
Now you print it here. No, print it here. 27th line. Write log statement. Console.log my cities. Yeah. Now you execute the statement. You run the code now. Okay. In place of Mumbai, you got Chennai. Now write 10 lines, 10 cities. In the 10 cities, I want 3 Bangalores randomly.
3 Bangalore Spain. Mhm.
Give Bangalore. Okay. Okay. Bangalore. Enough. Now, how you will change the value of 2 Bangalores or 3 Bangalores or 10 Bangalores whenever you get in the array to Mumbai? 1 Bangalore, okay, we are happy, we saw it, we changed it. Again Bangalore you got, again you have to set the index, okay, my city is bracket open R4 or 5, again Mumbai. So if you have 100 Bangalores, it's hard, right? Hello?
Here, there will not be, we should not use any duplicates, right? That is sets.
That is sets.
Yeah.
So I don't want that one. I just want to make replacement here.
Okay,
So
where there is Bangalore, it should be replaced with Mumbai.
yeah, if there is 100, 1000, 2000, so what is the solution? It's a repetitive thing. Repetition, whenever you get repetition in the mind, what you have to guess? Okay, it's a for loop. Okay.
Yeah.
Now write a for loop. Same, or if you can use the top for loop. 21, 22, 23. There you got, now there are two things. If there is 3 Bangalores or 4 Bangalores, that should get printed. Okay, correct?
3
Hello?
Bangalore, 4 Bangalores that should get printed. Where?
Yeah, that should get printed and should be changed to Mumbai.
Okay.
So you are writing for loop to print to check from 0 to 100. Okay.
Okay.
Now write a if condition. Inside this if condition, you write if my cities of I is equal to Bangalore, you write it. Then give bracket.
My cities is equals to Bangalore.
This bracket should not close here. It should
Hmm.
close after Bangalore.
Hmm.
This is the condition. Equals to Bangalore. Bangalore is not a variable, it's a string. It's a string. Then
If my city is equals to Bangalore.
Then print is not my cities. My cities of I. Again, my cities means it will check complete array.
Yeah.
My cities of I means the value is from then in the sense you have to write like this. First write a block, if block. Then inside that if block, write a condition console.log my cities of I. Okay. What will happen now?
My cities are equals to Bangalore.
Bangalore. Then if there is a Bangalore, then the Bangalore will get printed. Only Bangalore will get printed.
No,
Not
else.
everything. Not else. Why else? If there any condition, I told
It
that.
can be replaced with Mumbai, right?
See, if you write else, what happened? If there is no Bangalore, then that will be replaced with Bangalore, Mumbai. If there is Bangalore, that Bangalore will be safe.
Okay.
See, remember, computer will check for Bangalore.
Okay.
Bangalore, if there is a Bangalore, it will go to if condition. Now, what you are telling is we can write else condition. Okay. If there is no Bangalore, then it will go to else condition. When there is no Bangalore in the first place, Vizag. So if you write some changing condition here, so Vizag will change to Mumbai, not Bangalore, because Bangalore will come in if condition, right? Got it?
Yeah.
Confusion, just tell me. I'll explain again. Your approach, whatever you are trying to tell is correct, but just small change. You are checking for Bangalore. You're not
Yeah.
checking for not equals to Bangalore. If you write else now, else is nothing but you are checking if there is no Bangalore, then change that value. No. What we want, if there is a Bangalore, then print it and change it. Got it?
Yeah. No,
So,
what will happen if we print this?
just print it first. We are not changing. Close it here. Close it. Yeah. Run it.
Oh, I see.
Save it.
Yeah.
Then run it. Okay, only Bangalore got printed, right?
Yeah.
Now, here you write something. My cities of I equal to equal to Mumbai. Not here, down, not down. Inside this, after this console.log, inside this if condition. This if condition, when you find the Bangalore at that particular index, you are telling that when you find the Bangalore, then at that particular index of the array, my cities, put Mumbai.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So how you will write? For a computer, you have to tell, click enter. Now you found the Bangalore. In the 22nd line, you have checked it. So where you have found it? Where you found the Bangalore? At I, at particular I. Now my cities. Okay. My cities of I, not space. It's an array. My cities of I. So you know now, this you understand now. Not equal to, you're not comparing, you are giving it a value. Giving is only 1 equal to. Comparing is 2 equal to or 3 equal to.
Oh, okay.
See, you are comparing Mumbai. Yes, sir, you are comparing for Bangalore. If you found the Bangalore, changing the Bangalore, printing the Bangalore, changing the array. This array you are changing. Where you are changing this array? At the particular index I. At the particular index I, you are changing. Okay?
Okay. If we are assigning a value, we should give only 1 equals to. If we are
Yes.
not assigning, we should keep 2 or more than 2.
Yes. 2 is for
Now we are assigning this Mumbai value to Bangalore.
Yes. Mumbai, not Mumbai value to Bangalore.
Sorry,
We are changing the place of, sorry, we are taking the place of Bangalore and keeping the value Mumbai.
Yeah.
Write it.
My city is I equals to
Bangalore. Sorry. Mumbai. Got it?
Yeah.
You are checking for each for loop, first for loop at 21st line. You are printing from Vizag to Bangalore. Then you are checking in the if condition, if the first value, if the value of Vizag is equal to Bangalore, condition failed, no problem. It will check for second. If you check for second. So if you check for second, Hyderabad, no. It will check for third. Okay, Bangalore. No, my city is of I. What is the value of I? It's 2 now. Clear? It's 2. Second index. Bangalore, you got it. Now, my cities of I means my cities of 2. My cities of 2. At the my cities of 2, you have sent the value Mumbai. Got it?
Yeah. My cities of I is equal to my
Ah.
cities of I is equals to Bangalore. So
If you got the Bangalore,
no, my cities of I equals to Mumbai. And
yes,
replacing the Bangalore with Mumbai.
yes.
Then
Now
I can print it.
you just print after the array. Here you print it. After the function, so after the for loop, outside the for loop, you print the complete array. Console.log my cities. After this, we'll end this session. Okay.
Yeah.
No. If you write I is in the for loop, not outside the for loop.
Yeah.
Outside the for loop, you don't know I. You just print complete array. How you print complete array? Just my cities. That's it. Done. Got it? You printed the Bangalore, but after printing the Bangalore, you changed the place of you have taken the place of Bangalore and put the value Mumbai there. Got it?
Yeah.
This kind of logical operations, this kind of thinking and dealing is important. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we'll
Just
end
to
up.
make it equals to Bangalore, right?
Yeah,
should
even not making equal to Bangalore. We are comparing.
Okay.
You are comparing. You are checking that if at this place, do you have, see what happened in the for loop? Just you assume. In the for loop, just we'll write some steps here. Okay, this is for loop. Now for loop, no? Inside this for loop, let I equals to 0. Let I equals to 0 starting. So you have written, what we have written condition, my cities of I. My cities of I. What is the value of I? 0. What is my cities of 0? What
My
is my
cities of
yes, my cities of 0 is what?
Vizag.
Vizag. Is Vizag and Bangalore both are equal? Means Vizag is equal to Bangalore? No, right?
No.
No, condition fail. Again, it will jump back to for loop. Again, it will go to Hyderabad. Second place, I equals to 1. I equals to 1. So it will check for 1. Hyderabad. Hyderabad equals to Bangalore? No. Again, condition fail. Okay. Now it will jump again from this to this one, because I value changed from 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So now it will check. Okay, I value is 2. At my cities of 2, what is the value? At my cities of 2, it is Bangalore. So Bangalore is equals to Bangalore. Condition true. Okay?
Yeah.
Condition true. When the condition is true, it will go to this condition. What in this condition, what you have written, when this condition is true, I am telling that print that value, change that value. So you got Bangalore, you changing that Bangalore to Mumbai. When you are changing, when you got Bangalore. Now again it will go to Chennai. Chennai is equals to Bangalore, condition failed. No, it will not come to this point only. Again Mumbai, it will not come to this point. Again, Karnataka, it will not come to this point. Again, Bangalore. Oh, okay. Again, Bangalore equals to Bangalore. At what place? At certain place. Because we know the value of I. So we print that, we change that I value. We change the value of the array at that particular I. Got it?
Yeah.
Copy this and write it in the notes, each and every step, what's happening.
Okay. Now we're gonna use this one only for the next of the classes. We're not going to use the program as compiler.
No, we are not going to use. Even LWC, Apex, everything can be done from this point on, this place only.
Visual coding. Yeah.
Yeah, this you have to practice a lot. Next
Yeah,
one in
last 3 days I didn't practice actually. The before 2 days I practiced it, but I'm forgetting
Okay.
like all of them are like similar, right? Sets, maps, arrays, functions.
yeah.
Everything is similar.
Next class, I'll explain the same kind of things with on maps. So before coming to the next class, practice maps.
Yeah, okay.
Next class in the sense next
The
one to one.
next class will be the other 4 topics, right? The first 3 you told us to complete the modules.
Yes, now that class will be official class. I'm telling about the one-to-one class. I'll be taking one more one-to-one class with you.
Okay.
So in that class, I will be concentrating on functions and maps, which are also very important.
Yeah, okay.
Same side, this kind of logics we'll be practicing.
Okay, yeah, fine.
Okay. But don't leave this arrays. There are multiple things I have shared, like methods on the array, push, pop, what are those? Add, delete, onsets. So we have many things. So just keep practicing them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So tomorrow maybe I'll be taking one more one-to-one. Okay. So while coming tomorrow in sense Monday, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. On Monday you'll be having morning class and evening class.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. 1 minute. Let me tell you. Tuesday for me, same like previous session, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But on the Tuesday before, I mean for me Monday, I will be having a class with you. I'll tell you timing. Don't worry, I'll tell the timing. Actually, I'll message you. This EST, IST, I most confused for me. I'll just message you. But you keep practicing the maps.
Yeah.
Today you today you practice my arrays only. You got some like understanding with the help of on arrays, right? So from the internet, from the chat GPT, give the same code. See, I told you the last code, right? Give the same code to the chat GPT and ask that give me some more codes like this.
Yeah. Okay.
So it will print almost 5 examples. Try to understand. If there is any new terminology, new method, new concept, a new way of writing for loop, they get na, you write it and send it to me if you don't understand. Or ask the ChatGPT only, what is this? So because syntax is one thing, but writing it in a different way is like what developers do. Even in the Google also, if you type the for loop, it will give many types of for loop. If you want to print even numbers, it will give many different examples of even numbers. So don't worry. If you get stuck somewhere, put it to me. Whenever I see that, I'll reply that. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.